Okay, y'all, so today I'm unboxing a Varla. Look at it, they sent me a little gift box. Let's open it up and see what's inside. So open it up, real cute. It said thanks for hopping on. It is a t-shirt. The back says electric youth unplugged joy. Super cute. Keychain, bracelet, stickers. Oh, and then like a dog tag. Ooh. Got a little bike on it. So that's super cute. Big shout out to Varla. Thank you so much. Let's get her unboxed. This is the M5S. Okay guys, I'm on a Varla M5. I just put her together. This is the first test ride. The max speed is 40. That's straight out the box. I do really like this bike so far. It's a good size for me. It's comfortable. yeah, I showed y'all the little features that it has. You get the screen and everything. What else? I don't know, so far, she is cool. She is a little bit on a smaller side, which, you know, like I said, is good for me because I'm not too tall. And I'm in mode 3 right now, so that's why I was able to go top speed. But yeah, you get 1, 2, 3. But yeah, I'm excited to take her to some trails and see how she does in the trails. But it looks like it's supposed to rain, so I'm gonna just ride up and down the road for the day. But this is my Varla M5S. Where is it? MS5? No, M5S. But she's super pretty. She got glitter on her. A little side view. But yeah, can't wait to take her to some trails. I'm gonna make sure I put the link in the code for y'all. See y'all later.